If you're thinking about using Satodex.top to trade popular cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, or Binance Coin, you might want to pause for a moment because what you see might not be what you get. Satodex.top presents itself as a legit platform promising smooth trading, buying and selling, but a deeper look reveals some serious concerns that can't be ignored. First off, their Trustpilot reviews appear to be fake, with suspicious patterns and overly positive comments that don't match real user experiences. Digging into their background, the platform's history seems fabricated, offering no solid proof of a genuine track record. When it comes to customer support, there's virtually no real way to get help if things go wrong. Their website is filled with big claims but very little evidence to back them up, leaving users to take everything at face value. And the so-called returns they promise? Simply unrealistic, fitting the classic pattern of offers that sound way too good to be true. After putting everything together, Satodex.top doesn't seem to inspire confidence nor provide the solid foundation you would expect from a real crypto trading platform. Whether it's a complete scam or just dangerously unreliable, it's definitely not a place where you should trust your hard-earned money without serious caution.